Alrighty, so we made it into Canada. We're about an hour and a half north of the border. There's something in my phone.
Doing the closing video without me?
No, it's not the closing video. It's the opening video for today.
What, we didn't do closing last night?
Yeah, we did. It was you guys dancing in the street. We are going to try and do 9 hours of driving today. The RV did fine yesterday. No major issues. Much quieter with the muffler running. We pulled in about 3:30 this morning, Mountain Time. I'm going to post videos when I can. Wi-Fi is limited. Our cell service is limited, so I can't upload as easily, and we need it for my brother's here in case he needs to do some of his work. So the boys, we're just finishing packing up, and then we're going to get on the road. We should reach southwest of Edmonton. About 2 hours is our goal today. And then there's campsites. They're allowing Americans to stay in the campsite, so that's nice. The Border Patrol wasn't too bad. I think I got some dash cam and stuff footage of that, so that doesn't show the Border Patrol agents. So I'll show you guys how that went. A lot simpler than I thought it was going to be, because I expected them to totally make it more difficult, but since we came through midnight, they may not have wanted to. So, alright, well, we're going to get started for today, and I will let you guys see where we go. Okay, so we are currently entering Calgary. I know everybody doesn't know this, but I really like this TV show called Heartland that is based on a young lady around here and her family. As much as I would love to stop and, chill and do things, not on the agenda today. Right now we're just trying to put the road under the tires and get some distance in and see where we can get from there. But Calgary looks like a really big place. A lot bigger than what I expected.